Hello everyone, I'm Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. And I have my Cooking with EFNEP cookbook. This is our expanded food and nutrition education program cookbook. And this is a wonderful program that has a lot of resources. It's out into a lot of variety of different communities across of North Carolina. And you can find their recipes and some of their resources and handouts online at their website, ncfnep.org. And one of the things that I like in this book is it has a lovely little chart that talks about saying no to salt. And I'm going to share this resource on my Facebook page at facebook.com/PersonGranvilleFCS. And one of the reasons we want you to stay away from salt is because we want you not to have a high amount of sodium in your diet. And therefore, we want you to encourage you to use herbs and spices to kind of spice up your recipes. Some of my favorite herbs and spices that I have are just over here. When I make toast in the morning, instead of putting butter, which is a saturated fat, I will get some olive oil and I'll just kind of lightly sprinkle it onto my toast. And then I use a variety of different herbs and spices. So I have basil, oregano, thyme, and rosemary. And these are good spices for when you're making a variety of different recipes. Again, in this resource, it kind of tells you which herbs and spices are good for which type of meat. So again, you can just check us out on Facebook and I will provide some of that information as well as some of these recipes over the next couple of weeks. This is Jennifer Brown, Family Consumer Science Agent with the North Carolina Cooperative Extension Service. Thanks for tuning in.